out of stock, maybe never coming back. Just when you think you've got everything figured out. Hey, it's Philomena, and today I want to talk about how I am doing YouTube wrong. Maybe everything wrong? No, I don't think that. So to get ready with me whilst I do my makeup and I'm chatty and I'm anxious and depressed and I'm super busy and I'm super grateful and the sun is shining and it's all the things. But let's talk about how I am doing YouTube wrong. So this, as I'm recording, will be my 20th This, as I'm recording, will be my 200th video. It's not the 200th video I've ever made, because there are plenty of videos I made and deleted because I'm trying to not do YouTube wrong, but I'm apparently doing YouTube wrong. I had I hired a YouTube coach who gave me great advice. The things the dude said, absolutely. I've had my amazing, beautiful, smart, caring, loving husband give me great advice. And I just keep doing YouTube wrong. So my 200th video, which is an accomplishment, they all say, just press record. But what they're really saying is, also have a plan, and also stay consistent, and also research your people and your audience. And all of that is true. So is it just record? Is that true? Or is it record and also do all these other things? Like, yeah, the skill of recording and having the microphone and having the lighting, all of that is small learned skills and full of tasks. My brain, the way my brain works, I'm just having so much trouble doing the one thing. And so I've decided this channel is art tutorials, craft tutorials, what it's like to be an art teacher. But I also put in like freelancer advice. And here I am using all of my vegan makeup in front of you and talking to you about mental health. And I just can't imagine like creating another channel to separate these things out. So here I am with dodgy lighting, bags under my eyes, getting ready to go have a beautiful breakfast with a beautiful creative friend, putting on too much blush because when you're anxious and depressed, that's going to help, right? I have commissions to work on. I am in what they're calling the ADHD freeze right now, where I can't seem to get anything accomplished 100%. And that just cycles into anxiety and then literal self-loathing. Is this TMI? This is a happy channel. I mean, look at this freaking headband. Adventure Time. Love sweater. Like, this is a happy channel. And here I am, like, actively talking myself into living another day in this world. It's not easy. It's tough. It's okay. Things can be tough. But I just want to be real. And again, doing YouTube wrong. I'm not supposed to be posting this video I'm not supposed to be splitting my audience. I'm not supposed to share this to friends and family because I need the algorithm to do the thing that it needs to do. I'm not supposed to not be looking at the camera. So I'm doing YouTube wrong. But I love YouTube. I spend more time on YouTube than on any other site. I love creators. I'm going to VidCon in June and I'm so excited, and that I'm also like, who the heck are you going to VidCon? I have, right as of this recording, 269 subscribers, and like, don't even ask me about watch hours because insignificant, but so significant because I'm super grateful. Like, if I had 269 people in front of me in a class right now, it would be amazing and beautifully overwhelming. And it would be, you know, a dream to teach that many people live, right? So thank you to the 269 subscribers, 2 of them which are me, 267 subscribers. I'm rambling. I'm doing an art ramble. I'm putting on my vegan makeup. Does anybody care? So what I want to say is I guess I'm just going to keep doing YouTube wrong for now. And I enjoy making videos. I feel like it's a way to connect. I'm a person who often feels both things. I feel lonely, and I feel like I can't deal with going out into the world. Do you feel that? Can you give me a me too, a thumbs up? We can't say me too anymore. Can you give me a something in the comments? It's like, yeah, I'm feeling lonely, and I also really have to push myself to go out into the world. I am one of the luckiest people I've ever met. I have amazing husband, dog, birds, in-laws. I have friends. I have joyful employment. I have a beautiful house that's getting more beautiful. I have some intelligence. I have health. I have so much. And I also have a struggle with mental health. Every rose has its thorn. Isn't that right? Isn't that what they say? So I'm making this video about doing YouTube wrong because I want to make some sort of content that I think is useful to the world, right? I want to make something that's useful to the world. Maybe sharing this struggle makes you feel less lonely, makes me feel less lonely. You know, even if I'm the only person who gets a benefit out of this today, maybe you will too. You want to see my dog? So videos that I do have in production after this one, I'm doing another year of National Youth Art Month, and this year we are making some paper jewelry. My most watched video of all time is from last year, the year before, National Youth Art Month, the emotional robots. And my coach is like, make more of that, do more of that, because that's your most watched thing. Yes, I agree. I agree with the coach. And also, my brain just can't help wanting to make this other content. So I'm going to make this other content, and the algorithm is going to do what it's going to do. Hopefully it pushes it out. You know, making art, selling art, teaching art is how I feed my dog, and I think these videos can be part of it. So it's twofold. I want threefold. I like making videos. I want to help other people, and I think the content can help other people, and eventually I want that monetization. I want to help it buy me more art supplies so that I can make more art and more videos and this and that and that and that and that and that. So thanks for watching this. I'd love to hear how you're doing. Comment and all this stuff. Tarte BB cream, Fairlight, out of stock, maybe never coming back. Just when you think you've got everything figured out. Sending you a lot of love. Thanks for watching this video where I'm doing all the things wrong on YouTube. I don't have a script. I've said I'm sure. I am rambling. But this is the best that I can do. And they say just press record, just publish. So this is what I'm doing. Thanks for hanging out. Bye.